Access/Access. Click Create Voucher. Select a property from the list, then select Unit or Units. If selecting more than one unit, you can select and fill out multiple vouchers. Fill in the following fields. Verify the valid from date. This should be the date the resident is moving in. Click Create Voucher. You can also create vouchers in bulk. Access/Access. Click Create Voucher. Select a property from the list, then scroll down to create multiple vouchers for a specific property selection section. Click Download CSV template file. The template is dynamically created with information filled in for each unit that exists for that property. Only change the first 3 columns shown here. Any rows that do not need a voucher created for a unit can be deleted. For example, Unit 102 doesn't need a voucher. You can delete the corresponding row in the spreadsheet. Save the file, and then once saved, click Browse and navigate to that saved file and click Open. Click Import Vouchers. To add a device to an existing user or resident, Access/Access and click User List in the left-hand menu. Click Edit corresponding to the user to enter information for. Fill in the following fields. Click Add Device.